Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Right? Everyone attend last 7 days workshop, right?
This is the first time.
This is the first day. Okay, Suresh. And what about demo section? Do you find the demo section? Video. Okay. No. I mean, from institute side, they will provide one demo video, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you watch that video about UX designing? How like the course will be there, content?
Actually,
Okay. No worries. Right. I will share you one link. Everyone, I will share you one link. In that link, give me your details. In that link, just give me your details. See here, you have a link. In that link, you will get like these questions, like name, your name, gender will be there, education details. Why? Because in front of me, few students will be there. You are from various education background, like undergraduate, graduate will be there, postgraduate will be there. Who has some backlogs? They are also considered as undergraduate. I have to compare all the students, right? So I can easily understand what you are. And education details, I mean, your group. Like if you are BTech means, give me your group details, like CSC, Triple E, ECA, like that. General degree means, give me your group details. See here, I have to compare all the students. One-to-one mentoring will be there. So for giving better examples, this all feeding is useful for me. If you are from arts, based on the art student, I have to give one type of examples. So I have to compare all the students now. That's why I need your details. And what is your current status? Student, job searching for upskilling. Some people are taking the courses. Is there any career gap? Like that, you have to provide some details. And hobbies. In my way of teaching, based on your hobbies, your education background, I have to give live examples. Then only student can easily understand. Am I right? So that's why I need some information from your side. Like batch, you have to mention that batch one, everyone. You have to mention batch one. And country, state, city, your email ID. Just provide your details. End of the section, I will discuss with you. Okay? Just provide your details. End of the section, I will discuss with you. Clear, everyone?
now you can.
Right. Now you have to fill the form. I will continue the class. So when you are filling the form, then end of the section, today class, I will discuss with you. I mean, for next class onwards to give better examples, live examples related to you. So I think you got my point.
Yeah.
Right? So myself, Anand, I have 3+ years experience in UX designing track. So I will give spoon feeding, no worry about the subject. Here I will compare all the students as zero knowledge to students only. Right? I mean, you have some knowledge in UX designing, maybe, but I will compare all as zero knowledge students. Why?
Yeah.
Because when we are following one mentor with zero knowledge student, like zero knowledge student, then you will get 100%. In your view, you will think, sir, I know about UX designing, I was learned so on, so like that will be there. But you have to follow one mentor, then you will get 100% result. So I will compare all the students as a zero knowledge student. Starting 2 weeks classes will be there very slow. Why? Because I tell you now, I have to compare all the students as zero knowledge. So you have to cooperate me. See here, basically in UX designing course, there is a two parts will be there. One is user experience, one is user interface. One is user experience, one is user interface. Today's section, previously in demo section, I was clearly explained. Some students was not listen the demo section. Again, we will provide you the demo video link. No worry about that. Okay. Today we can continue the first class. Is it clear, Suresh?
Yeah. Oh.
Right. See here in UX designing course, two parts will be there as I was telling. One is research part, one is designing part. Before going to the subject, first of all, you have to convert like a UX designer. For example, like if you are going any functions, any interview, mentally you will prepare for the interview. Am I correct?
Yeah.
First of all, we are learning some course means we have to prepare mentally about the course. Then only you can easily understand what I am teaching, what you are learning. When we are going interview, before that we can prepare like how like we have to prepare resume, how like we have to attend the interview section, like that some preparation will be there. So like that only when you are learning one particular course, on the time you have to prepare mentally, then you will easily understand what I am teaching. That is the good communication, right?
Yes.
So today's section will be there. You have to prepare like mentally in that UX designing course. So like that content only I will provide. I'm not going any research part and designing part. I mean it's like user experience and user interface. First of all, as a designer, we have to know about good and bad design. My screen is visible, everyone,
Yeah. Visible.
right? See, when someone is wearing some dresses, like casual dresses, some dresses are looking good, some dresses are not looking good, right?
Yeah.
How like we are seeing that is the reality. It means who are wearing the dress, that person that dress was very good, but for you it was not good. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So here all many designs will be there. Some designs looking good, some designs looking bad. How like we are seeing based on that only it will be there. How like we are seeing based on that only it will be there. See, as a Suresh, I am taking your name Suresh.
Yes.
See, Suresh was UX designer. He was created wonderful design. In Suresh view, it was very good. But as a UX designer, the design was not suitable. For example, Suresh was ready to prepare for going to the interview. He was prepared like formal dress, everything. Suddenly, he will get some bad news. He went to some cremation. On that time, he is going like a formal dress means. Is it good? Preparing like a professionally, he is attending some cremation, like going to the burial ground like that. On the time, the dress is suitable.
Now going for it.
Right. So that is not suitable. That particular formal dress. Like that, actually, the dress was good, but based on the situations, we have to change. Got my point?
Yeah.
Like that, here we are UI UX designer. So we are interacting with the users. We are creating mobile applications as well as web pages. We are creating mobile applications as well as web pages designing. So we have to create few designs. So there is a good design will be there, bad design will be there. Why? Because here our users is like educated, uneducated, senior citizens, kids, at the same time physical challenge or special child. These all are our users only. See, nowadays educators are using our applications like mobile applications, web pages. Uneducated also using mobile applications, right?
Like
At the same time, right? Whatever it may be. As a kids also they are using mobile applications, YouTube for watching videos. Senior citizens they are using WhatsApp, Google Pay, Phone Pay for transferring money, some X. So we have to compare all the users. If you go deep in the user, some special child will be there, like blind people will be there, handicaps will be there. They are also using mobile applications. So we have to compare special child also as our user. So all these users we have to satisfy with our designs and research part. All these users we have to satisfy with our designs as well as research part. Is it clear as a UX designer which type of designs we have to provide?
yes, clear.
Now, remaining students, please respond. Kavuri, Venkat, Chandra Reddy, Satya,
Yes, sir.
Ruchita. Right. See here now I am giving one example. You will find like these designs, right? In restaurants, movie theaters. Do you find like this design? Like room number 201 to 216, one direction they are showing. 27 to 226, one direction it will be showing. See, can you tell me this design was good or not?
Bad, I think.
Not think, just tell good or bad.
Bad. Good, sir.
Good. Someone telling good, someone telling bad. But the design was good, looking good. Okay, the design was looking good. See here in this design, the information, research part. Here they are providing rooms 201 to 216 will be there. They are providing one direction. Room 27 to 226 will be there. They are providing one direction. The design was clear, right? Now my question is, I want to go room number 215. Which direction I have to go? Right side or left side? Again I am repeating. I want to go room number 215. Which direction I have to go? Right or left?
Right side.
Okay.
Chandra and Suresh telling right side. What about remaining?
Left side.
Left side. See, Suresh, you are telling right side. Why you are telling right side?
So top row is saying
In top it will be there the direction right side. That's why you are telling. Some other person is telling left. Why you are telling left side? Maybe Satya. Rohit, are you telling that left side, right?
Right side, sir.
Right side. No one is the left side. See here, when we are providing like this design in our mobile application, user will be confused. How like me? Here, room number 21 to 216 will be there. In Suresh view, they are thinking this room information will be there for right side. He is thinking, but this is also correct only, na?
yeah,
Some
little bit. I think that means box
right. It means the design was confusing will be there. I mean, some viewers can think like this. Yeah, room number 21 to 216 will be there left side. This is also possible.
Yeah.
This is also possible. See, when they are providing like this designs, then what we can do in restaurants directly we can go to the receptionist. We can ask them where we have to go. Otherwise, we can find the door numbers, right?
Yeah.
There is a possibility some access will be there, some guide will be there. In mobile application, no one give any guide. When we are providing that exact design, the user has to understand without confusion. Without confusion, user has to use our application. Then only our application will be success. So, when we are providing this direction, below this text, it is confirm statement, na? You have to go right side only. No confusion. When we are providing this direction here. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
When we are providing this direction here, the user can easily understand. Confidently, they can tell we have to go for 217 to 226 left side only. Why? Because when we are providing this direction down of the text. So, in UX designing course, we are interacting with mobile applications and web pages. On that time, we have to provide perfect design. Without confusion, we have to provide easy and easy navigation designs to the user. Then only user can easily understand what we are providing in that applications. Is it clear? So, after 2 days, 3 days, we can go with Figma application, creating the designs. On that time, you have to keep this point in your mind. Okay? Clear about this design? Is there any doubt? Right. See here, here one more question will be there, like on or off. How do you determine if the switch is on or off? Here two switch will be there, right side and left side. Which switch will be there in on?
Left side.
Left side.
Left side.
Yes, that's it.
Left side.
Left side.
left side. Here, anyone triple E mechanical background?
I'm from mechanical.
Okay.
Mechanical, right? See, you know about the positive negative signs, right? In electrical, can you find the symbol? Is it on or off? Who know about electronics like a triple E, they can easily identify the
Yeah. Zero is wrong. Zero is
right. See, you are triple E person. I mean, for example, you have some knowledge in electronics. That's why you are easily telling this is the on by seeing the design. Am I right? Here, some people was identified by seeing the light. Here, some light will be there. Na? That's why some people were easily understand this is the on. This is the off. Right. Here, in our users, they are not triple E. Right? They are not triple E. Why? Because educated also our users, uneducated also our users, kids also our users, at the same time, senior citizens also our users. So when we are providing these type of design, user will be confused, right? If they know about this, they can easily understand. If they don't know means
They'll confuse.
they will confuse. Okay. See here, I am providing these type of design. The switch is there in on or off.
off.
Confirm.
Off sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Off one is
Okay. Rohit, how like you are telling the switch is there in off?
Where is that? I didn't know, sir.
Why?
Because it's facing towards off, that's why it is off, sir.
No. Right now I'm showing on design, right?
Yes, sir.
This is on or off.
Off.
How like you are telling this is off?
Yes. By seeing the image,
Uh,
it
in that image, what do you find?
is toward downwards, sir. That's why it is off.
Okay. See, here some text will be there off. That's why you are telling this button is off, right?
Yes, sir.
You are educated. That's why you can easily understand the typography. That's why you are telling this is the off.
Yes, sir.
See, if you are not educated, then how like you can identify this is on or off?
Um, it's a little bit difficult.
Okay, we can go with some other person. Chendu, you are not an educated person. Okay, you don't know about the studies, right? How can you identify this is on or off?
By asking other,
What?
by asking educated person.
Black will be there, right? Everyone can easily understand red is danger. Danger means on. Neutral color black. If you are educated or uneducated, everyone can easily understand na, red and black.
Yes, sir.
See, if we are providing like this design, maybe some students, I mean, some users can understand, some students didn't understand. Am I correct?
Yes, yes.
But when we are providing like this design, here everyone
Maximum
can,
people can understand.
right. So when we are creating designs on the time, we have to compare all the users, like educated, uneducated, senior citizens, at the same time, children also. Then only we can give the perfect designs to the user. Then our applications was there in the top position. Now you got my point, what I'm telling.
Yes.
So mentally you have to change when you are creating designs on the time. We have to think always different types of users like educated, uneducated, senior citizens, kids, special children. Everyone you have to keep in your mind when you are designing, right?
Right.
So here, one more example will be there. It's related to the application like, see, I will go with Satya. Kavuri, right? Kavuri.
Yes, sir.
Kavuri, you went to one restaurant. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it's very summertime.
Okay,
Too
sir.
hot will be there. You are so hungry.
Okay, sir.
On the time you went to the restaurant, unfortunately ACs are not working.
Okay, sir.
On the time you are ordering a food like biryani, some eggs. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
the biryani was very tasty
Yes, sir.
and too hot. Quality was good.
Yes,
But
sir.
here, Kavuri has to have the food by using spoons only. Kavuri don't know how to use, how to have biryani with hands. He's not supposed to have with the hands. He need spoons only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So on the time, the waiter is very rude. It's summertime, the ACs are not working. You are given these cutlets to use. They are providing these types of spoons.
Okay,
How
sir.
like your behavior will be there. It's
Like
summertime.
Yes, sir.
You are facing some uneasiness. You went to the restaurant. In restaurants, AC will be there like that, but unfortunately, ACs are not working. Too hot will be there. The biryani also very hot, and you are so hungry, irritating in yourself. You are so hungry. You are ready to have a biryani by using the cutlets, but the waiter is providing like this cutlets. You are asked to the waiter. He is giving reply very rude, right? So
Yes.
situation is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your action in restaurant? What you will do?
At first, I will ask him for gently. If he give me reply in a rude way, then I will also get some angry and I will shout on him like that.
Oh, you will be shout on the waiter.
It's the second option when I have already asked him gently for first time.
He is not responding. He is giving rude answers.
Yeah.
So your emotion is you again you will shout on the waiter.
Yeah, when they give a rude answer for me at the first time when
Right,
I ask him to provide uh, good stuff. I
right,
mean,
right. I got your point. Ruchita,
Yes, sir.
yeah. How like your your behavior will be there in this situation if you went to the restaurant. Can I repeat the question?
Yes, sir.
See, Ruchita, you went to the restaurant. It's a very summertime. Too hot will be there in outside.
Okay.
You thought if I went to the restaurant, there was an AC, I can easily have a lunch like that. You're thinking. You
Yes.
went to the restaurant.
Yes.
Unfortunately, ACs are not working. The temperature is increasing in a hotel also. I mean restaurant also. You were ordering a food. The food was very good. Everything. They are
Okay.
providing some cutlets. Here,
Okay.
Ruchita,
Yes.
confirm the person need cutlets. By using cutlets only, she can have the biryani.
Yes, sir.
The waiter was provided these types of cutlets.
Okay.
When you are asking to the waiter, he is giving rude answers. How like
Okay.
your behavior will be there on the situation.
Frustrated.
Frustrated, what you will do?
I explained the situation. I mean, it was very hot, so that's why I asking this.
No, no, not like that. You are supposed to have with cutlets only. They have to provide proper cutlets, but he is not providing proper cutlets.
Okay. Okay.
You are requesting to the waiter, please give me proper cutlets. The waiter is
Yeah.
telling, if you want to
Yes.
have, you can have with the cutlets. Otherwise, you can leave. Like that,
Yeah.
giving some reply. What you will do?
I request them, sir.
You are requesting them. Okay, you are very good person. Okay, no worries.
Them to give a proper.
Okay, okay.
If
Suresh,
the food, sir, if the food like which will I order? Uh, Means
Simply I will go to another role.
First of all, I will call the ninjas.
Suresh, yeah, you will complain to the manager.
Yeah,
This is one type of emotion,
yes.
right?
Or otherwise, first of all, I see the environment. If it is no time, yes, I will first of all choose the spoon. Or otherwise, second one, frustrated, I will get into this
Okay,
type of movement is not for
okay, right. Suresh is providing rules. He's make a complaint to the manager, right? What about Satya, Amber, Rohit? How like you will be feel on that time?
Simply I will go to another hotel, sir.
Already you are paid 1,000 rupees. Already you are paid 1,000 rupees. Got my point?
Okay,
Payment was done.
okay, sir. Shit.
See, I mean, as a user, you have some emotions will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
As a UI UX designers, when we are providing the designs and when we are giving connections, Rohit, please mute Rohit. Yeah. When we are providing connection to connection with screens, on that time we are providing wrong connections means our users also feel like that only. How like you are feeling frustrated. How like you are feeling frustrated. Like that only our users also face the problem. For example, if you are using payment, Paytm, Phone Pay, in Phone Pay you want to send some money to your friend. Unfortunately, it went to some other person. On that time, you will feel like that only, na? Frustrated. Simply, you can uninstall that application. You can go with Google Pay, right?
yeah. It's true. First of all, you think frustrated.
See, if you are frustrated means the application they are providing not properly. Simply, you can uninstall that application. See here, as a UX designers, when we are providing that screen-to-screen connections, on that time you have to feel like that. If we are doing mistake, how like user will be feel? Got my point? Why I'm giving this example?
Yes, yes.
So today, what I'm telling, you have to mentally prepare like this. We have to think like a users only. What user required, that only we have to provide entire design and research part. Then our application will be there in the top position. Then only we will get that hikes, more packages, everything. Why? Because we are thinking about the user, what user required. That we are providing in the name of design and research part. Now, I think you got my point. What I'm telling here.
Yes, sir.
So, as a UX designers, we have to always remember these things like we have to provide clear information in our designs and we have to compare all the users like educated, uneducated, like kids, senior citizens, special children, everyone. Based on that only we have to provide the designs. And after completion of the designs, we can give the connection screen to screen, button to button. When we click on the login button, it's go to some other page like that. On that time we are doing any mistake, user will be frustrated. When user was frustrated, on that time the user simply uninstall our application or the user didn't use our application like web application. So indirectly we are doing wrong things, right?
Yes.
So always you have to remember all these points as a UX designers. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Right. See here, sir, starting onwards, you are telling what is UI, I mean, user experience, user interface like that. See here, when we are creating user mobile applications as well as web pages, on the time two parts will be there. I told you before. In user experience, we can go with the research part. In user experience, we can go with the research part. Which type of products we have to provide, how user can use our application easily. We have to provide some strategies like that. Everything comes under the user experience. Designing part comes under the user interface, like which type of colors, typography, like designs, which type of designs we have to provide, images, everything comes under the user interface. See here, now I'm giving small information about user interface. User interface deals with the visual appearance, which means how good your product looks, It includes parameters such as color, contrast, font, layout, white space. Again, I am telling, user interface deals with the visual appearance, which means how good your product looks. It includes parameters such as color, contrast, font, layout, white space. Some people can understand, some people didn't understand, right? About user interface, some people can understand, some people didn't understand. When I'm going to the theoretical way.
Yes.
Now I want to go practical example. See, if you went to a matches, right? After getting a job, every house they will find some matches, na? Got it? For marriage proposal. On the time when you are taking one photograph, I mean when they are providing some photograph, based on the photograph only, na, next step will be there.
Yes,
If
sir.
the person is looking good, then we can go with the next step.
Yes.
How much they will be provide in the name of dowry, how much property will be there, is it good or bad behavior, everything. It means the first what we are doing, visually it is looking good or not. Am I correct?
Yes.
If
Sir.
anyone, yeah, Chindu, any doubt?
No.
Are you connected with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. See, when you are going to the matches on that time, first impression is the best impression. That's why they are providing wonderful images about the bride, right? So then we are going to the next step. Like that only, when user was using our application as well as web page, first of all, they can focus on the user interface. How like our user interface will be there. I mean, how like it's looking good. So for looking good, we have to provide like proper colors. It means for the men or women, proper dresses they are using, contrast, font, layout, white space. Like they are using their jewelries, like using makeup, some X they are using na, when they are providing the photograph. So like that, we have to design our application or web page. This is the user interface. Got my point?
Yes.
So after getting that photo, Suresh was tell okay, yeah, this person was looking good. This person is suitable for my skin tone, some X like that. Some discussion will be there, right, Suresh?
Yes.
Next, what you will do? You can think
That,
about the person behavior. Visually, she was good. Behavior also important, right?
yes.
How like she will be behave with our parents, we have good understand or not, like that some parameters will be there, right? So when user was using our application or web page, visually it was good, and we have to provide what user required, that only we have to provide in that user experience. User experience means here Suresh what required, maybe Suresh want like to employ girl who are working, means that is suitable for the Suresh. Some people don't want, some people want only homemakers, right? I mean based on users requirement, that we have to provide in the name of user experience. What user required, that we are providing means user can easily understand, I mean use our applications as well as web pages. In user experience, this is user experience. What user required, that we have to provide. What user required, that we have to provide. So I think everyone can easily understand what I was given that explain example about user experience, right? Kavuri, any doubts?
No, sir.
Amber, Rohit,
Understood, sir.
right? See here, when we are going with the applications as well as web pages, first of all, everyone can see the visual appearance. Then how like it's working. So based on these two topics, UX designing will be there. We have to give wonderful design, as well as we have to provide what user required, that we have to provide. Like the colors will be there, psychology will be there, content will be there, which type of content they require. Everything we can learn in user experience topics. This is the user experience research part. In research part topics, we can learn each and everything about the users what they required, everything. Like we have to know about primary research. One second. We have to know about the primary research, and we have to know about the secondary research. Online surveys will be there. Business requirement gathering. We have to gather some information related to the business requirements. We have to conduct online surveys for gathering that information. We have to conduct direct interviews. We have to do competitive analysis, who is our competitors, strength, weakness, everything. We have to do empathy mapping, like what user thinks, what user do, what user feels, what user says, like that. So all these topics are covered in research part. When you complete your research part, then you will get full clarity about your users based on your project. Is it clear about research part? What topics we are covered? How like we can gather that information?
Yes.
So after that, we can go with the research part. In that research part, we can go like grid system will be there, color psychology will be there, which type of typographies we have to use, which type of buttons we have to use, material design, psychology principles, projects, everything you can learn visually. How like we have to create the mobile applications as well as web pages. On the time, what we have to do, which type of colors we have to use, which type of typography we have to use. Chords. Here in designing, we can call the chords. I will tell you deeply in classes how like we have to provide the wonderful chords, like that. As a users, everyone can do some common mistakes that we can discuss about the common mistakes what you are doing. Principles will be there, psychology will be there. Everything I will cover in that theoretical part, right? I will cover everything in the theoretical part. I will provide you that soft copy also. No worry about the notes, right? What I am teaching in that class, that you will get as a soft copy. So everyone can easily understand what I am teaching in the class. Got my point?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear about the notes and topics?
Yes, sir.
Can I go some other section?
Yes.
Right. See here, first day onwards, I mean, after 2 to 3 days onwards, you have to work on that assignments. Here, I will start that designing part first. I mean, here we are using Figma tool. You have to learn from basics onwards. Like that, few assignments will be there. You have to work on these assignments. Like assignment one, in this assignment one, you can easily understand how like we have to arrange the components. I will tell you clearly in that further classes. Just roughly I'm telling here. The comparison of zero knowledge student, I was prepared like these assignments. By using mouse, we have to arrange each and everything. In that assignment one. In that assignment one, you have to use pen tool. By using the pen tool, you have to create vectors. Okay. Coming to the assignment two, simple design will be there. This is the simple design, right?
Yes.
Like these designs you have to create. In class, I will show you how like we have to create. I will tell you in the class everything. How like we have to gather that information, how like we have to create everything. Like that, you have to create like this assignment 3. After that, assignment 4 will be there. What we are not covered in previous assignments, like this ellipse you have to create, like this designs will be there now. We are covered in that assignment 4. Up to assignment 4, you can learn each and everything about Figma tool. How like we have to use Figma tool. Everything will be covered in assignment 4. After completion of the assignment 4, you will be pro using Figma tool. I mean, you know the basics about the Figma tool. How like we have to use each and everything. Then, in the name of assignment 5, you can learn step-by-step process, which type of colors you have to use. In that colors also, we can go with some AI colors for easily getting that ideas. Okay. Which type of typography you have to provide in mobile applications? Which type of icons we have to provide? Like that, in that assignment 5, you can learn each and everything about the design, color, typography, visual appearance, how like you have to arrange everything. So if you complete this assignment 5, you will get the confidence, right? I can create mobile applications as well as web pages. Like that, you will get one confidence here. Then we can go in the name of assignment 6, somewhat advanced level by using the prototype. Somewhat advanced level by using the prototype. Like animating that images, right? Motion images will be there. Na? Like that, we can create in the name of prototype. In the name of assignment 6. Clear? After completion of the assignment 6, you will be there like a pro. You will be there like a pro. Then I will tell you, you have to create one landing page. You have to find one landing page. You have to create one landing page. Obviously, you can do some mistakes. Again, I will rectify that mistakes and I will tell you these mistakes you are doing. Suresh, so you have to rectify your mistakes like that. So like this process will be there. For example, from your side, few doubts will be there like, sir, how like you can mentor, how like you can identify me if I'm doing any mistakes, so how like you can identify like that. Some questions will be there from your side. See here, I have the details about the user, students, how like they are doing the projects. I have all data about your assignments, everything. Clear?
Okay.
So based on that, I will concentrate each and everyone what you are doing the mistakes, anything. If you are not doing performing well, I will inform to the management. So and so person is not doing well. He is not attending the classes. So if is there any proper reason, it's okay. Otherwise, means they will ask you why you are not attending the classes. You have to attend it like that. Clear? Like that, our course will be there. No worry about that. Sir, if I have any doubts about the design, what I have to do, right? Like that, one more answer will be question will be there na, from your side. When I'm doing assignments, I have a lot of doubts, sir. Why? Because I don't know about the designing. I am very new to the designing. So if I have any doubts, what I have to do? Obviously, like that, questions will be there from your side. Here we are using Figma tool. In Figma tool, you have to share me your files, right? After completion of your like assignments or everything. For example, I'm showing a previous student. Like this, I will get the notification. What you mention, I will get like this notification. When I click your file will be open. See, do you find here some comments will be there? Increase the line space. Sir, I added these 3. So like this, directly we can communicate in the name of Figma application. So no worry about your doubts. If I am not clarifying by giving the text, we can discuss in the class.
Okay.
I will tell in the in that message only. Here, see, white background. Like that, everything we can discuss. Here you will get one-to-one mentoring. No worry about the subject. Clear? If you are facing any problems with me, simply you can contact with our management team. No worry about that. Right? Is it clear about the course? How like it's going on?
Yes.
So,
Right. Everyone, please respond. Is it clear? Is there any doubts?
No, sir.
yeah. Yeah. No, sir. No, sir.
Chendu, Rohit,
Yes. No doubts, sir. Okay.
Suresh, any questions?
Sir, what about videos? Sir, my simplified. So, process also provide this assignment.
As a UX designers, nowadays every industry they are using Figma application, right? As industry standards, they are using Figma application. So most probably we are concentrating on the Figma application. After completion of your course, what you raise that point is valuable. In your brochure, they are provided some brochure, right?
Yes.
Do you find creative AI in that brochure? Do you find this one?
Yes, sir.
This one will be there. See, in upcoming, by using the artificial intelligence, creative AI will be there, right? In upcoming, by using the artificial intelligence, I will explain about the creative AI also. Clear? In the brochure also we are provided. No worry about that. What upcoming tools also will be there. Here I will give you some brief. But Insta, in In
Mm.
industry, they are using
Figma
Figma
only.
only.
So that's
So
why I'm
that's why I'm
taking main tool
taking
as a
main tool as
Figma.
a Figma.
Based on the
Based on
industry
the
only,
industry
right?
only,
We have
right?
to
We
left.
have to left.
Got it?
Got it?
Yes. And software, this is everything in then work on the PC like we will provide.
Right.
Right.
What you
What you
required means
required means
you have to
you have to
maintain
maintain
proper
proper
internet
internet
connection.
connection.
At the
At
same
the
time,
same
your
time, your
system has
system
to be
has to
there
be there
above 4
above
GB
4
RAM.
GB RAM.
PC or
PC or
laptop,
laptop,
you
you
have
have
to
to
maintain
maintain
above
above
4 GB
4
RAM.
GB RAM.
Clear?
Clear?
Yeah, please.
This
This
software
software
is free
is free
software.
software.
I will tell
I
you
will
how
tell you
like we
how
have
like
to
we have to
install
install
everything,
everything,
right?
right?
And you have
And
to
you have
maintain
to maintain
proper
proper
internet
internet
connection.
connection.
And
And from
from
and
my
from
side,
my
some
side, some
requirements will be
requirements
there.
will be
Like
there. Like
every day you
every day
have to
you have
work
to
at
work
least
at
1
least
hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
At least
At
1 hour
least
you
one
have
hour
to
you have
work.
to work.
When we
When
have
we have
mutual
mutual
cooperation, then
cooperation, then
only you
only
can
you can
learn
learn
easily.
easily.
Got my
Got
point?
my point?
Yes, sir.
So like
So
that, our
like that,
course
our
will be
course
there.
will be there.
Just today
Just
only
today only
introduction. Now,
introduction. Now,
tomorrow we can
tomorrow we can
discuss.
discuss.
Sir,
Yes.
Yes.
sir, for Figma, is that compulsory for installing, or we can use on internet also? It's
You can use
You
on
can use
Chrome
on Chrome
also.
also.
By
By
installing that
installing that
application, you'll
application,
get
you will get
easy
easy
access.
access.
okay.
Uh,
I mean,
I mean,
Kaveri, what is
Kaveri,
your
what is your
problem?
problem?
No, sir.
No, I mean,
No, I mean,
For
you don't have
you don't
personal
have
laptop.
personal laptop.
Yeah, I have a laptop, but for just asking for that, uh, is that compulsory? I mean, it's my brother's. That's why sometimes I will have and sometimes I will not.
Okay,
Okay,
Kaveri.
Kaveri.
Your
I
name
mean, your name
Kaveri, right?
Kaveri, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Right.
If you are
If
using
you are
your
using your
brother
brother
laptop,
laptop,
sometime you are
sometime you
using
are
your
using
friend
your
laptop
friend
like that,
laptop like
you
that,
are
you
changing
are
your
changing your
laptops, right?
laptops, right?
Yes, sir.
You can
You
use
can
any
use any
laptop,
laptop,
but you have
but
to
you
log
have
in
to
with
log
your
in with
email
your
ID.
email ID.
Okay, sir.
By
By
Chrome or
Chrome or
laptop, whatever
laptop,
it may
whatever
be,
it may
you will
be,
get
you will
all
get
the
all the
files.
files.
It is a
It is a
online server
online server
based.
based.
Okay.
Okay.
What you are
What
done
you are
that
done
work,
that
that
work,
work
that
will be
work will
saved
be saved
automatically.
automatically.
Yes, sir.
You will get
You will
that
get
access
that
in
access
any
in any
laptop, any
laptop,
Chrome,
any
but
Chrome,
you have
but
to
you have
maintain
to maintain
same email
same
ID
email
only.
ID only.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
And one more thing, for UI, I mean, for Figma, there is AI technology based nowadays. We are, as Suresh brother said, like that we can nowadays we are seeing like that, sir. For AI using of Figma
Right.
for simply for some of which automatically generated by AI in Figma only.
Right.
Right.
That thing
That
we
thing
can
we
cover
can
in
cover in
creative AI.
creative AI.
Okay, sir.
In creative
In
AI
creative
also they
AI
are
also they are
providing.
providing.
In
In
Figma, you have
Figma,
to
you have to
purchase that
purchase
file.
that file.
Okay, sir.
I mean,
I
paid
mean,
versions
paid
only
versions only they are providing
artificial
artificial
intelligence.
intelligence.
When you are
When
going
you
to
are
the
going to the
industry, they will
industry, they
provide.
will
If they
provide.
are
If they are
providing,
providing,
then you can
then you
easily
can easily
understand.
understand.
If we are
If we are
going with the
going with the
creative AI,
creative AI,
I will
I will
clearly
clearly
explain you
explain you
how we
how
can
like we
use.
can use.
If you give
If you
some
give some
command,
command,
easily you will
easily
get
you will
the
get the
chords,
chords,
everything.
everything.
Yes.
Now I am
Now I am
review
review
means
means
you didn't
you
learn
didn't learn
basics.
basics.
Now I will
Now
tell
I
you
will tell
about
you
that
about that
AI
AI
means you
means
didn't
you
learn
didn't learn
basics.
basics.
Everyone has
Everyone
to
has
learn
to
from
learn
basics
from basics
onwards.
onwards.
Clear?
Clear?
That's why
Okay.
we
That's why I will
cover this
cover this
topic on
topic
end
on
of the
end of the
course.
course.
Okay.
Simple,
Simple,
Kaveri.
Kaveri.
In this
In
one
this
two
one
months,
two
what
months,
you
what
learn,
you learn,
that you will
that
get
you
in
will get
AI
in AI
Okay,
within
sir.
5
within five
minutes.
minutes.
If
If
directly I am
directly I
telling
am
that
telling
AI
that AI
means
means
you
you
didn't
didn't
know the
know the
basics and
basics and
principles,
principles,
everything.
everything.
Yes, sir.
It means you
It
don't
means
know
you
about
don't
the
know about the
creativity.
creativity.
Simply you are
Yeah,
Simply you are
following
all this.
following
AI.
AI.
Uh, not like that, sir. But for all these color theories, uh, time will take lesser. Like that. And nowadays, we are seeing like AI technologies is more using in Figma also. That's why I'm just asking for.
Right,
Is
right.
there any?
Your question is valuable. Here, are you finding AA colors?
Yeah, sir.
Like that AA tools also I will cover. No worry about that.
Okay.
We have to do smart work also.
Yes.
Right? Is there any doubts?
No, sir. Thank you.
Right. Is there any doubts regarding to the today section?
No, sir.
Management will provide you that recorded. If you have any doubt regarding to the today section, tomorrow we can discuss first 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Tomorrow we
Okay.
discuss about today class first 5 to 10 minutes. Then only I will go with the next another section. Clear?
Yes.
Like this only will be there everyday sections. If you have any queries, you can send a message. After completion of the topic, I will revise that message what we have the doubts or next. Then we can easily discuss.
Sir, every night, what time the class will start, sir?
7 to
Every
8.
day will be the same. Every day, same timing. Okay, 7 to 8.
78. Is it clear, everyone? Can we close the section?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you, everyone.
Or every Sunday also, sir.
No. Sundays was not there. Today is we are promised that 15 onwards classes will be start now.
Yes.
That's why we are taking on Sunday.
Okay.
Right.
Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.